wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 7 best vacuum tube clocks. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 7, the novellife elekstube only simulates the effect of a nixie, but it might please individuals who are more concerned with appearance than technology. It has plenty of features too, including a stopwatch and programmable display colors. It's chargeable via a USB jack and Windows and Mac OS compatible, but it tends to run fast. At number 6, the Nixie Dream Retro has a rustic stained wood base and comes with a 2-year warranty, so you can shop with confidence. What's more, 4 toggle-activated lighting effects make this a great option for a variety of spaces and occasions. The tubes can be replaced and it arrives in gift packaging. However, it is more expensive than similar products. Coming in at number 5 on our list, the millclock Iron 14 sports an attractive cobalt blue backlight, but this can be turned off using a simple switch if you prefer. Its convenient backup feature keeps track of the date and time in the event of a power outage. It's equipped with a weighted base for stability and a night mode that protects the cathodes, but the buttons are not labeled. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for vacuum tube clocks, or simply click beneath this video. At number 4, the sleek Chronix Vintage has an acrylic case that shields each of its 6 delicate gas tubes from dust and damage. The base, which is constructed from durable wood, is finished with an attractive high-shine black lacquer. It arrives fully assembled with buttons that make the time easy to set. However, it is rather small. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, those who prefer an engaging project to a ready-made option will love the Nixie Clock Home DIY Kit, which requires an involved assembly process. Once it's up and running, you can use the remote control to change the settings from a distance. It features a lunar date display mode, a 12 or 24-hour time display, and packaging that protects the glass parts well. At number 2, the makenology Jova combines throwback technology with contemporary trends. Its minimalist, slightly curved shape will add elegance and interest to any room in the house, whether your decor skews traditional or ultra-modern. It offers 3 date format options and accurate timekeeping. It's good for wall or tabletop use. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Nuvitron model Volta boasts a handsome wooden body and warm orange numbers that are easy to read even in well-lit rooms. This handmade model includes a DC power adapter and can be set to display either 12 or 24-hour time. It features genuine vintage tubes, an adjustable brightness, and a built-in alarm. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for vacuum tube clocks, or simply click beneath this video.